Did you know that trillions of dollars are being left in old 401k accounts? So one study found that Americans have left $1.4 trillion in old 401k accounts with employers that they have left. This is larger than many states' entire GDP. If this is you and you may have forgotten some money in an old 401k account with an old employer, pay attention to this message, because here's what you need to do in order to track that money down and recover that money, and then what you can do to invest it tax efficiently. So the very first step is you actually have to track the money down. There's a few websites and apps that can actually help you do this. Retirement information is stored in a national database and can be accessed to help you find this money. Some of the websites that can help you include the Department of Labor, the Abandoned Plans section, the National Registry of Unclaimed Retirement Benefits, and also the Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation. If you want to make it easy on yourself, just DM me and I can shoot you a link to one of these three websites. Next, you're going to have to figure out what you're going to actually do with this money. So you'll have to come to some type of decision. Are you going to keep the money currently where it is, or are you going to roll it over into a new 401k account, or maybe into a rollover IRA, or maybe even go the Roth route? You'll want to consider each of your options carefully, because depending on what your future strategies may be, one decision may be better than the other. For example, if you currently do the backdoor Roth IRA, it may not be as advantageous for you to roll that money over into an IRA account, where you could just leave the money in your old 401k, or maybe roll it over into a new employer's 401k account, and you can avoid that pro rata rule that comes with those backdoor Roth conversions. Because doing so can help you avoid that pro rata rule. Now, you could always withdraw the money entirely out of your account, but I generally don't recommend this unless you have a severe situation, because not only will you get hit with ordinary income tax, but you also will get hit with a 10% penalty if you are not of retirement age. So generally, you'd be better off either rolling that money into an IRA account, or just leaving it in a 401k, or rolling it over into a new 401k account. Now, there is always the option of trying to convert that money over into a Roth IRA. Now, here's the thing with conversions. In the year that you convert that money from either a 401k account to a Roth account, or from a traditional IRA over to a Roth, you will have to pay ordinary income tax on the money that you are converting. So if you have a large sum, let's just say it's 100 grand, and you don't want to pay tax on the full 100 grand in the year, something we may consider is a Roth conversion ladder, where instead of just doing the full 100 grand in the year, maybe we do 20 grand this year, 20 grand the next year, and we spread that out over 5 years so we can minimize the overall tax hit. The biggest thing is you really just don't want that money to sit idle, so you need to track that money down, and you need to start using it strategically towards your retirement goals. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to DM me and follow me for more information like this.